Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe Update, and we're currently sideways in the lower time frames. We had a huge pump previously to 892. A lot of people caught the pump, and now the coin has dropped down again, and it looks like it has trapped a lot of people in the short term frames as well. Now the problem of course comes on the daily, and we've talked about this before, but I'm gonna go back to it again. And we have the bear flag. You move down here, made the bear flag, and the bear flag points to 505. You have this support and resistance line that dropped, and it also looks like we could be coming down to 427. So this is, majority of the move has been done, right? So you have this huge sell-off that has happened. Now you have this much left, very, very, very small, tiny area left for you to cover. And imagine, right? Imagine what's going to happen from this point onwards. You have all of this little bit of a box here that is left, just that, right? So that means the bottom is anytime soon, right? Once you come down to 492, I think this whole region can be a very good entry opportunity, especially if you want to swing trade. That can actually be pretty amazing for anyone who is trying to get into Pepe. Now I think we're still in a downtrend. If we turn on the EMAs, you can see that we still have the EMAs that are causing the problem. So I think you could do something where you pump up a little bit to that 10 EMA, maybe even to 20, and then get rejected again. And as soon as you get rejection, you go up, you climb up like this, and by the middle of the month, I've been saying this again and again, that between 15 and 20, in my opinion, you should bottom out and you should end this correction. So very, very soon it's going to come to an end. And then we could probably have a bit of sideways movements and then finally get some few pumps here and there. So maybe come down like this, have sideways movement, and then try to start to pump up again, maybe move up to even 1152 easily. Now imagine if the coin does move down to 370 and then it pumps up. You have like 208% trading opportunity. So I'm planning to get huge move maybe after the market is bottomed out, which has forced me to kind of think about it, that you know what, let's create an offer. Let me tell you to join Q2, which is the private Q2 for April, May and June. And then you get March, for the remaining days of March for free, especially if you're new, right? So anytime during March, if I do find out that we have some very great places to buy, I could actually give you a nice good entry on the private. And this thing, that entry can be golden, because the market is going to be super, super cheap. So as we get a big move, as we catch a big move, you also get to catch a big move. But even more importantly is that when we try to catch the big move, we don't want to risk too much money as well, right? So it's going to be a low risk but a very big payoff that I do plan to do so. So if you want to do that, if you want to join, to make sure you contact me on Discord. If you're not on Discord, message me on Discord. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.